What if I told you there's a natural pill that can reignite your energy, boost your performance, and make you feel like you're in your 20s again, without side effects, without prescriptions, and without waiting months to see results? Sounds crazy, right? That's exactly what EndoPeak promises to do. But does it really work? Or is it just another overhyped supplement that disappears in a few months like so many others? The truth might surprise you, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's real and what's just marketing talk. Let's get straight to the point. If you're here, chances are you've been feeling a shift. Maybe you're not waking up with the same drive you used to. Maybe you're more tired than usual, losing interest in things that once excited you. Or maybe your confidence is slowly slipping, especially when it matters most. You're not alone. This is something that millions of men are going through silently every single day. And the worst part? No one talks about it. We're told to accept it, that it's just age, just stress, just life, but deep down, you know something feels off. You want to feel powerful again, energetic, in control. That's exactly where EndoPeak steps in. EndoPeak is not just another supplement with empty promises. It's a carefully crafted formula designed specifically for male performance and vitality. 100% natural, made in the USA, and built to address the real reasons why men start to feel like they're running on empty. The difference is in what's inside and how those ingredients actually work with your body instead of against it. Let's break it down. EndoPeak is packed with natural herbs and minerals that have been used for centuries to enhance male health. Tonkat Ali, Tribulus terrestris, horny goatweed, these aren't just trendy buzzwords. They're clinically studied ingredients known for boosting testosterone naturally, improving blood flow, and reigniting libido and stamina. Then you've got key minerals like zinc and magnesium, essential for hormone production, muscle recovery, and mental clarity. It's like fueling your body with everything it's been missing. You don't need to change your diet. You don't need to spend hours in the gym. You don't need a prescription or a visit to the doctor. You simply take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water and let the formula do its job. Most men start to feel a difference within a few weeks. More energy in the morning, more focus during the day, and a noticeable difference in performance at night. Not to mention the mental boost that comes with knowing your body is working the way it should. But this isn't just about performance in the bedroom. It's about showing up in every area of your life. At work, at home, in your relationships. With more drive, more presence, more power. When your hormones are balanced and your blood flow is optimized, everything else starts to align too. You feel sharper, stronger, more like yourself, and people around you notice. What really sets EndoPeak apart from other products out there is the quality and the confidence behind it. It's made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility right here in the United States. It's non-GMO, stimulant-free, and doesn't rely on synthetic chemicals or cheap fillers. The company behind EndoPeak believes in it so much that they offer a full 60-day money-back guarantee. That's 2 full months to try it, risk-free. If you don't feel the results, you get every penny back. No stress, no catch. And here's something you won't find with most other supplements: real user feedback. Thousands of men have already made the switch to EndoPeak, and the reviews speak for themselves. Guys who were skeptical at first, just like you, are now sharing how it changed their lives, how they feel confident again, energized, ready. It's not a miracle pill, but it is a real solution, one that works with your body, not against it. And let's be honest, how many times have you bought something that promised everything and delivered nothing? EndoPeak is different because it doesn't just mask the problem, it addresses the root. Low testosterone, poor blood circulation, nutrient deficiencies, all the stuff no one wants to talk about, but that makes a massive difference in how you feel every day. And unlike quick fix pills that can mess with your heart or leave you with side effects, this one's designed to restore your body's natural balance. That's the real secret. Now, to be fair, it's not perfect. It's only available online through the official website, so you won't find it in stores. And yes, consistency is key. You can't take it once and expect a miracle. But if you're serious about changing the way you feel, naturally and permanently, EndoPeak is worth your attention. So here's the bottom line. If you've been feeling off, tired, unmotivated, or if your performance isn't where it used to be, this might be the solution you've been looking for. It's natural, it's simple, and it's designed for real results, not hype, not quick fixes, real change, real confidence, real energy. If you're ready to give your body what it's been asking for, click the link in the description to try EndoPeak today. It's risk-free, it's easy, and it could be the shift you've been waiting for. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, no BS reviews like this one.